Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up chili cheese fries, beef ribs, some hot dogs in case you want a chili dog, and it's gonna be great. And buttoning up a little bit more here in the shanty, and I need to get some more furring strips so to hold everything nice and tight. It's coming together. Then when I'm done with all of that, I can clean up that one tarp and the ceiling tarp and clean these grills. Might shine them up like Tom Horseman. I don't know how the hell he keeps them so clean. Anyway, and I think we got another project on our hands. Like I said, the Weber kettle, I believe, is just too low. But if you see the start here, I think I'm building a cabinet. So the Weber kettle will sit on top. It'll be about 8-10 inches higher, and then the gasser grill is going to stay where it's at, but then I'll have all this counter space, so I won't need to use the gas grill as my countertop. Hell yeah, let's get to cooking. Just threw on some beef ribs, short ribs and flanking style ribs, and yeah, I can't wait for those. And you could chop up those beef ribs, throw that in the chili as well. We're doing up homemade fries. I'm cutting them all up, steak fries that is. I like that. I like the skin on. I'm just going to rinse them and then cut them up thick. And we're going to fry them real quick. And then we're going to build this sucker. Chili cheese fries, hell yeah. Chili cheese fries. Rocking. God dang. And this beef rib with 2 bones. All right, folks, chili is done. It's just sitting in the Dutch. Beef ribs on the Weber kettle with slow and sear is approaching done. We're going to check that in just a minute. That's going to be always one of the best things ever. We're going to throw on some Hoffman hot dogs, German style, with the casing. If you get a hot dog, get some natural casing, man. Best hot dog you're going to get. And we're going to do up those steak fries I just cut up on that big skillet. I'm going to fill that up with a little bit of oil, and we're going to fry those up. And chili cheese fries are going to be coming together really quick. And yeah, check this out. Remember that wall? Boom. Zap. Mold and mildew cleaner. I just sprayed it. I didn't even wipe it. It killed everything off that tarp. I mean, there's still a little bit. I'm going to come back through it. There's a little bit of a bleach smell. And, yeah, I had the fan kicking, but that bleach smell, holy hell. Too much. So, when I'm done cooking and I'm done out here, I think I'm going to spray the roof here, the ceiling part, and see what it looks like tomorrow after work. I did do a little part by the door. That was just nasty. That was the backdrop tarp over here, and it was on the ground, so it always, just sat in water when it rained. So it built up pretty nasty. And for all the safety folks, that is a big hole above the door for ventilation as well, for air to come in. So yes, I know a lot of people were concerned about the airflow through here. There's plenty of airflow coming through in a few gaps that I've got. I will show further in detail. I'll do a whole video on the build of this shanty when I'm getting there. It's just this 1 day a week thing, and I'm trying to cook while I'm building. You guys saw that one video when I was putting the roof up with the grill in the middle, just working around the Weber. And hey, you do what you got to do with your free time. I don't have much because I work a lot. So hey, gotta feed 4 children, man. Gotta work. So anyway, we're going to be eating good tonight, let me tell you that. And I'm going to kick back and relax because I'm almost done. I'm going to pull these beef ribs off. I'm going to let them rest. So I'm going to just tent them. I still have yet to ever wrap beef ribs. A lot of people do it. I was going to. And then time slipped away with getting everything together. So anyway, they look beautiful. I'm going to probe check those. Just stab them with a freaking temp probe, and if it comes out like butter, they're done. And if you guys want to see, these things look amazing. Boom. Yeah, I haven't even probed them yet, but we'll check that out in just a minute. I gotta get these fries rolling. They're still in the sink. I rinsed them. So when you cut up your potatoes, whatever kind you do, skinned them or not skinned them, whatever way you cut your fries, just rinse the damn things and then dry them up a little bit and then fry them up. Best fries you'll ever have. All right, folks, we're going to plate this up. It is time for chili cheese fries. Boom. bit of green onion, jalapeno, boom. And now, that looks amazing. Yeah, it does. Where's those beef ribs at? Yeah, we're adding that. Boom. Hell yeah. You can't go wrong. Maybe some hot sauce on top if you want. Whatever. Ooh. Oh, come on. That's rocking. Bringing this all in to everybody. I'm going to eat a little bite out here, and then we're closing up. It's another successful cook. Hell yeah. Of course there's a train going through. I swear, every time I hit record, there's one or two right after. 2 minutes after. 2 minutes after. But anyway, let's check the plate. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. Chili cheese fries with beef ribs. Can't go wrong. Hell no. Let's get one. Some more of everything on it. Come on, a little bit of everything. Hell yeah. Damn straight. Oh, you stay on there. You stay on there. Chili cheese fries. Rocking. God dang. And this beef rib with 2 bones. Yeah, that's my second bite. It's amazing. Hell yeah. Awesome. I think I'm going to make these koozies if anybody's interested. Yeah, like a Yeti, but with the Beer Champ Barbecue logo on it. Heck yeah. You should get one. Comment down below if anybody is interested. Great day. Wow. It's only like 30 degrees outside, but in here it's over 50. Yes, I left the lid off the Weber. Kick up a little bit of heat, you know. A little bit of heat's good. So, I got an extra propane tank. I'm going to get one of those screw-on heaters that go on the top. We should do that. And you should do this. This is amazing. I mean, come on. I mean, check that. You do the steak fry so you get more on it. Like this guy. Look at that. That's why you do steak fries when you do chili cheese fries. Because you get more on it. It's like a big island. And you can load it up with all the good stuff. Hell yeah. I mean, seriously. You can put all that on one little French fry. Do steak fries. That, it's rocking. Boom. Wow. Anyway, folks, pretty damn good day, even though it's so cold. I got some more work to do in here, but not much. Not like where I was. I mean, seriously, a month ago, this didn't even have a roof. And I only get a day off a week, so here we are. Boom. Clean that up like I did over here. What? Look at that. It still got a little work. All I did was spray it with this gimmick. It works so good. I just sprayed it. And look at that. The results, phenomenal. Clearly, a little bit more to do over there, but so I'll get the ceiling done, and wow, got a lot more work to do in here, but it's nowhere near where it was. But I got new projects. Like I said, I'm going to build cabinet over here. The grills are going to be in it. I'm going to have just, the cooler's going to be under there so I can store my beer under the cabinet. So it's going to eat up less square footage in the shanty and just be awesome. Yeah. Anyway, guys, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if it's your first time here. You know the drill. You guys rock. Barbecue fam.